Ako na sa score saka sa timer. Kompleto na, 10 na ha. Huwag kalimutan kumiti kay Kuya JD, our resident photographer for your sports event. Contact Kuya JD. Hawakan na ang mga ticket. Game na!
Timer.
Patay nakatulog.
Generalo on the ball. 4-3, no good. Perla. Naagaw, na-retrieve, Jake. Perla, nakuha ni Generalo. Easy layup. 2 points. Basket. Perla on the ball. Pinasa, Jake. 6 minutes and 41 seconds. Score 8-4. Basket? No good. 6 minutes and 25 seconds.
After next game, after next game. After next game.
Score 10-4. 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Nilabas sa 3 points. Dinrive. On the other side. Nope, dinagaw. Generalo, easy. No good. Out of bounds. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Jake, agaw, basket, 2 points. Score, 10-6. Buhay, Generalo on the ball. Jason, Ivan. No good. Out of bounds. Ivan again. Up. Dinasa pabalik for 3. Basket. 3 points. Group of Aquino. Standby. Next game. Ivan. Rebound. Out of bounds. Perla on the ball. Dinerecho. Out of bounds. LA on the ball. Jason on the ball. Generalo nagpa-stretch. Na-injure ba? May yellow tayo dyan. Oh, muntik na maagaw. Generalo on the ball. Basket. No good. Okay. Jake on the ball. 4 minutes and 23 seconds tayo mga idol. Jason. Up. Naagaw ni Perla. Naagaw ni Perla. Pinasa. Napasobra. Jason on the ball. Pinantayan. Out of bounds. Napalakas. Jason. Perla. No good. Generalo on the ball. Pinasa for 3. Basket. Stepping in 3 points. 16-6. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Ayan. Binabantayan, binabantayan. Ladrick on the ball. Pinasa. Rebound. Another. Pinasa. Nilabas. That was so chaotic. Easy layup. Ay, 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 ay. LA, no good. Jake, pinasa kay Perla. Dumira-diretso si Perla. Whoop! Basket, 2 points. 16-8. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Muntik na maagawan. Ang galing. 4-3? Hindi. Napakagaling nun. Jake, nakakuha ni Jake. Dinire-diretso ni Jake. Pinasa kay Perla. No good. Kinuha ulit ni Perla for 3 points. Score 16-11, 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Ayan. Binasa. Naagaw, dire-diretso, 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Correction, 53 seconds pala. 53 seconds. 52 seconds. 42 seconds. Scored 18-3. Lamang ang kabilang side. 36 seconds. 30 seconds. Scored 18-13. Basket 2 points. 18-15, nakahabol. Perla on the ball, pinasa. No good, rebound by 2 points. Basket 2 points. 18-17, last 10 seconds. Wow! 19-18. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Sige. Last basket. Sige. No good. Time out. 18-19.